India's first indigenous long-range artillery gun, Dhanush, has passed its final desk at Pokhran. This clears the way for its induction into the Army. Carriage Factory (GCF) Senior General Manager SK Singh told reporters that between June 2nd and 6th, 50 rounds of shells each were fired from 6 Dhanush guns. Dhanush is a 155mm by 45mm caliber towed artillery gun. The gun has now passed tests under severe cold conditions in Sikkim and Leh, and in hot and humid weather in Balasore, Odisha, Babina and Jhansi, and in the desert of Pokhran. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes India's indigenous Dhanush long-range artillery. Let's get started. Dhanush is based in Field Howitzer 77B, designed by Swedish arms manufacturer AB Bofors, which were inducted into the Indian Artillery Regiment in 1986 to 1987. India had received transfer of technology for these, though full details were not received as deal got mired in controversy, chiefly because of the kickbacks amounting to rupees 64 crore allegedly paid to conclude the deal. Bofors' gun played a very important role during the Kargil conflict with Pakistan 1999, when it had extraordinary success at high altitude. Dhanush has some major improvement on the Bofors gun. Features like electronic gun laying and sighting systems have been added. The indigenous gun's hitting range is 11 kilometers more than the imported Bofors guns. It has a strike range of 38 kilometers. The gun can fire 3 rounds in 15 seconds in burst mode, 15 rounds in 3 minutes in intense firing mode, and 60 rounds in 60 minutes on a sustained basis. India faces dual threat from Pakistan and China. Artillery is one of the most effective weapons to defend large tracts of land and can inflict heavy damage on the enemy. Dhanush will complement the M777 systems. The 155mm 39 caliber M777 ultralight howitzer has been procured from the US. The lightweight of M777 enables it to be carried through India's military transport aircrafts, making it highly mobile. Dhanush will also be later supported by DRDO Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System (ATAGS), which is expected to go into serial production from 2019. ATAGS will have a max range of 48 kilometers. Currently, 81% of its components are indigenously sourced. That would be scaled up to 90% by 2019. SK Singh said that 12 guns would be supplied to the Army in the current fiscal, while the total number for the initial phase is 114 guns. He said that, under an agreement to be inked soon, a total of 414 Dhanush guns will be supplied to the Army. Manufactured by the Jabalpur-based gun carriage factory, each of the 155mm guns cost about rupees 14.5 crore, while each shell cost rupees 1 lakh. The gun has been developed by the Ordnance Factory Board, Kolkata, after going through design documents running into over 12,000 pages. Mr. Singh added, the Dhanush project has received support and active cooperation from other ordnance factories and PSUs, such as SAIL, Bell, and many private sector companies. Their support has made the project a huge success.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.